It really looks like if I used like a curling iron. Wow. I missed you guys. I've been so MIA. Like, I'm sorry I didn't post a video last week. I actually got so sick. Like, ever since I got back from the Dominican Republic, I've had like the worst cold. I've had like a very stuffy nose, and I have just been going through it like for the last like 2-3 weeks. So yeah, now I feel a little bit better. I did get like a cold sore, so my lips look kind of like swollen still, which really sucks. So that's why I look like this. I did not get lip filler. But yeah, in today's video I'm going to be trying this curling barrel. I actually have used it before, but I realized that I never posted a YouTube video about it. So I'm going to be doing all my hair with the Dyson Airwrap Coanda 2X, and then I'll be using the 0.8 inch barrel. This is new, and I'm gonna do maybe like one curl with the 1.2 inch just to like compare. But first I'm gonna dry my hair. I'm actually gonna prep it with this product. This is the L'Oreal Elvive 4% Glycolic Gloss High Shine Leave-In Serum. Let's move on to another product that I'm gonna try out. For volume, this is the Sexy Hair Big Root Pump Plus. First time trying this out. Let's see how this works. Okay, I think that's enough. I don't want to add too much. I usually dry my hair from the bottom and then work my way up, but since I did add some mousse to the front sections, I kind of want to blow out this section right here first and see how that looks. So this is what the roots are looking like. Like, wow, I got so much lift at the root. As you can see, like, this volume is looking so nice. I'm gonna move on to the rest of my hair. I'm gonna just speed up this process because this video is gonna be more focused on the new barrel. But yeah, this is basically what I do to all my hair. I just dry all my hair with the round brush attachment. I try to take very small sections, and I always try to create a little bit of a curl on the end with the round brush attachment. I feel like this also helps to get longer lasting curls when you go in with the curling barrels as well. Okay, so I am done doing all my hair. The amount of volume that I got at the root, I mean, you guys, like, I really thought my hair was gonna turn out a little bit more sticky because the mousse did feel a little bit hard when I was like brushing my hair. So I was like a little bit skeptical at first, I'm not gonna lie. So seeing the results now, I'm like, wait, this mousse is so good. This also left my hair so soft, and look at the shine that I got going on. I really love this Dyson Airwrap. I mean, it is just such a game changer. I'm gonna curl my hair now, so I want to show you guys the curls that I get with the 0.8 inch barrel, and then I'm gonna do just like a couple with this one. So I'm gonna turn this on. I love how this grabs the hair super well. This is the beautiful curl that you get with this one. Like, wow, so nice. It really is so nice. I'm gonna do this one with the other size, with the 1.2 inch, just so you guys can see a quick side-by-side comparison. So pretty as well. This is the 1.2 inch and this is the 0.8 inch. Do you guys notice a big difference? Because honestly, I don't notice a huge difference. I'm gonna do these sections right here with the 0.8 inch, and I'm just gonna do the rest of my hair with the 0.8 inch. Yeah, these curls are turning out so nice. It doesn't really look that much more different than the 1.2 inch, honestly, but I do really like the curls that I'm getting, and they do look pretty defined for the most part. I feel like I have to do a wear test because I need to see if these curls are gonna last or not. Or, I mean, at least if they're gonna fall, how long it's gonna take for them to fall, and how it's gonna look. You guys already know. It is 3:20 now. I have to cook. I'm gonna make some tomato soup and grilled cheese, and I have some other stuff to do. So I'm gonna do a wear test. It is 3:20, and yeah, this is what the hair is looking like. I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm in my kitchen, and it is 4:11, so almost 4:20. But I wanted to start my check-in now because I'm doing something fun in the kitchen today. I'm actually gonna spend most of my day today in the kitchen. I'm doing some snacks with dates, and I'm also going to do a tomato soup. But yeah, I'm just here watching La Reina del Flow. It's actually not that bad. At first, it took me a while to like get back to it, like get used to it again, because it took them so long to come out with a new season. But anyways, this is what my hair is looking like. I did put these clips up here because I'm in the kitchen, so I just kind of want my hair to be away from my face. But yeah, it doesn't look bad. I definitely think the curls did fall a little bit, and it's only been an hour. But anyways, this is my new obsession. I take a date, I fill it with peanut butter, just like that. Then I drizzle it with some chocolate. I think that is more than enough. I maybe think I added too much. And then I put a little bit of pistachio. I put it in the freezer for just like a little bit, maybe like 30 minutes. And this is the most delicious healthy snack, you guys. But yeah, I'll see you guys in another hour. It's been about 2 hours. It is 5:25, and yeah, this is what my hair is looking like. I also put a video up here in the studio just because the lighting might be a little bit better, and I want you guys to really be able to see the hair. Let me show you guys very quickly how I make this tomato soup. It is so good. So I put tomato, onion, and garlic in here. I'm gonna season it a little bit with some pepper, salt, paprika, basil leaves. I kind of go like all out with the season. I do add a lot. You also gotta add some olive oil, balsamic vinegar. So I'm gonna put this in the oven. We're gonna do a wear test right now up in the studio. I want to show you guys what my hair looks like. It is 6:21, so it's been about 3 hours. This is what it's looking like. I still have some curls going on, you know, like I still have some bounce. I think I might do one more check-in, so 4 hours in total, and that way you guys can kind of just have an idea of how the curls look throughout the day. So yeah, I'll be right back. It is 7:13, so almost about 4 hours, and this is what my hair looks like. I mean, honestly, I'm not mad about it. Like, my hair actually looks very curly. Like, the curls are still there. Obviously they did fall a little bit from, you know, the first hour, but I mean, not bad. Honestly, not bad at all. So yeah, that is it for this video. I'm gonna insert a video of my tomato soup and the grilled cheese right here so you guys can see. It looks so good. But yeah, I really love how my hair turns out. And yeah, this curling barrel definitely gave me very tight curls, but I feel like the 1.2 inch is just as good, and I feel like the results are like pretty similar, honestly. If you want the curls to last even longer, or if you want them to look even tighter, definitely clip each section and let them set for at least 30 minutes, maybe even an hour or more if you can. Also add a little bit of hairspray or texture spray, and that should give you an even longer lasting curl. But yeah, even without any product or anything, I am not mad about this. I actually really like how my hair looks. Like, the curls do fall a little bit, but it looks very natural. Like, it just looks like a very natural blowout curl. So yeah, that is it for this video. Hope you guys liked it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you guys so much.